We're back at Manu's Bodega, a little Latin hideaway that is a little hard to find, making it one of Seattle's best-kept secrets.
I'll place this off the beaten path a little bit, so whenever I have a friend that wants to grab lunch and I haven't been here for a while, this is one of my go-tos because it's sort of hard to find.
You'll probably be looking on your GPS, you know, trying to find it.
Am I here?
You're looking around and finally maybe somebody will flag you down and it's like, oh, you're looking for Bodega? Yeah, it's over there.
The shop's Latin American cuisine is known for always being authentic and fresh. Manu loves to use locally sourced ingredients as much as he can, including a Latin American staple, cabbage.
It's part of a staple ingredient in Latin America.
Yeah.
It has the texture of crunch. It's refreshing because it has that water content in it.
Yeah.
So it's a real humble ingredient, but it's quite versatile.
Yeah, you can do a lot with it. It's now time to get in the kitchen. We're gonna get cooking.
Yeah.
What are we gonna make?
We're gonna showcase green cabbage today and a purple cabbage. We're gonna do it 2 different ways. One's gonna be a seared cabbage, which we're gonna treat like a steak.
Really?
And then the other one's just gonna be a simple kind of like raw, shaved, Latin flavored little coleslaw.
Yeah.
And we'll serve on the side. And what we're gonna do here.
So this is a beautiful head of cabbage.
Yes, we get all our produce from Frank's Quality Produce.
Puyallup, Washington cabbage. That's awesome. And this is just green cabbage.
Just humble ingredient.
Yes.
Yeah. The first step we're gonna do for this cabbage, we're just gonna simply quarter it. If you wanna take the knife.
Oh, you're gonna make me do it. Okay.
Yeah.
So just like this, or what's the best way to do it?
From top to bottom.
From top to bottom.
Yep. And you can lay it flat.
Okay.
And then go
do
from
it again?
the core. Yep.
Okay. You kind of saw this being done at another restaurant, right?
Yeah, I was blown away because this cabbage came on a plate by itself. And then when you bit into it, you know, all the lovely like butter flavors started coming out, and I was just like, oh, this is genius. I ordered it twice. Yeah.
We peel off the outer layer of our cabbage while we melt some butter on the stove. Manu sprinkles some salt for seasoning, and our wedges are ready for the pan. And work its magic. While our cabbages cook, we start to make our fresh coleslaw. Manu slices up some purple cabbage, chili peppers, and radishes. I add some fresh lime juice and a few mint leaves for freshness. Washington grown mint.
Yes.
With our coleslaw ready to go, we check in on our green cabbage.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh, those are looking good.
So I'm gonna do the other side now.
So this can take a little while.
Yeah, this can take a little while.
Brown that you want.
Sure.
Worth the wait.
But it's worth the wait, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. While we wait, Manu adds in garlic and capers and the finishing touch, beer. This creates a rich flavored broth for the cabbage to soak in.
Basting it with.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. After their little beer bath, our wedges are done and ready. Manu prepares some pork belly to add to our final dish and then tops it off with our fresh red cabbage slaw. With my knife and fork in hand, I'm ready to give it a try. That cabbage, the wedge is really rich.
Yeah, isn't that crazy? Meaty.
It is, it's really meaty. I'm gonna try this. It's so tangy and fresh tasting. Thank you so much for showing me these great ways.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
I never would have thought to do with cabbage, and it's so delicious.
Now we just need more beer.
Exactly. Where's the beer? To get the recipe for Manu's seared cabbage and fresh coleslaw, head over to wagrown.com.